I'm looking at Nakuru CBD from the balcony of this mansionette here. In fact, I've got panoramic views of the whole of Nakuru, from the lake all the way to Menengai Crater, all the way to Kiamonyi. Everything is in front of me here. You know, with the naked eye, I'm able to see that. Well, with the camera, I don't know, we can try and zoom all the way to that area. But I'm telling you, this living here, if you love views, this is just amazing. So I'm inside a 4-bedroom mansionette here at Upper Hill Court. I've been here before, Upper Hill Court at Ingobo. I've been here before when I was showcasing some 3-bedroom bungalows for rent. Now, inside the same estate, we have got this mansionette that is available for rent. Now, as I'm speaking, well, it has items inside, but it is neat. So I'm going to showcase that. Even better, actually, you get a picture of even how your home can be. But of course, well, everybody, does their own organization in their house. All right, so let me show you this. So on the upper floor, we have got the lounge, the kitchen, and 3 bedrooms here. And then there is a guest suite on ground floor, full guest suite actually, with a lounge, kitchen, its own kitchen, bedroom, ensuite as well. So I'll show you all of that, but let's start here in the main house. Can I call it main house? No, on the main floor. All right, you guys can, I'm sure you guys get it. Okay, so you can see how massive, this lounge is. Okay, so they have done here what you call a 7-seat couch arrangement, 2, 2, and 3, and still just look at how ample, this lounge is here. So much room on the side up. Okay, it's really nice. So of course there's a TV right there, you're seeing that, and a coffee table right at the center. And then on the back here is where you have the dining area. So for now, it is set up as a dining area for 4, but I'm telling you, it has room for even an 8-seat dining table. And still, even this couch, this is the arrangement of, of the owner of this home. But this couch can still move that side, and then you have so much room here, okay? So it is an open dining, from right there, open kitchen, towards that end. So the sink is right here. Up here, you have got more cabinetry. I see they have put their cups, cooler, glasses, wine glasses, etc. And then, of course, you have got this ample worktop here. Okay, maybe, to help with serving. All right, so the sink is right there. I've already told you the kind of dining table you can do here. Looking at the workmanship, Harper, it was good. Their choice of tiles was good. Their choice of wall paint is good. Their choice of cabinetry, it's good. So I just walked inside the kitchen. Here I am, ample worktop again in the kitchen. You can see the arrangement. So here you have got what you call a 4-burner gas cooker, but typically you can see there is room for a 6-burner gas cooker, which is amazing. So their fridge is, standing on this end. So they have got, just a compact fridge, okay? But you can always do a big one for that matter, all right? And of course, inside the kitchen, tukona kitchen the double sink. Here it is, and there is water for that matter, Yep, okay, this top. Okay, I'll try this other one. Yep, this one is easy. Imekazwa sana. So there is water right there. You can see it's flowing, and they have got a lot of water tanks huko nje. Actually, as of the time I'm here, this estate is being connected with piped water. So kule nje, the cabros, kuna mali wametoa pale, piping is being done. So maybe by the time you settle here, you'll have piped water to your home. But as it stands, there is the rainwater harvesting tanks ziko kule nje. They've got big ones. I'll show you all of that when we go through that door and go around the home. Now, let's check out the bedrooms. So I start with these 2 on this side. So I just walked inside one here. This one you can see has got a 5x6 bed. And guys, look at where the bed is. Look at where I'm standing. There is so much space here. Okay, the rooms are spacious, all of them. Okay, and then on this side, you can see the wardrobes right there. Look at that. Look at that. This one looks like a a lady's bedroom, you know, from the look of the urembo hapo naona on the wardrobes. I'm guessing I could be right. So here we have it, you know, the wardrobes, the arrangement, you know, you can see that, you know, a lot of storage pale. Even they have some drawers huku chini hivi, you know, and up there where one can put their suitcases kule juu, you know, sindo hivyo. And then all the bedrooms are actually ensuite. That's just amazing. So here we are inside this bedroom, pretty spacious. So they did a space for like a shower cubicle, okay, because I'm looking at the floor the way they are done it, but then it was not installed. Well, if you want to come and do it on your own, ama if you can request and they do it ukiwape pesa mzuri, so unaweza kuwekea tu shower cubicle hapo, and then so the shower cubicle is right there, and then the toilet is on that end. All right, so big bedrooms. You guys are not seeing that? That's a 5x6 bed, and still, you know, there's so much room in that bedroom. Okay, so on the opposite, we have got another guest bedroom here. Again, a 5x6 bed, and still, you know, ample room. I love the way the rooms are well lit. You know, look at this, you know, natural light inside the rooms. Amazing. Alafu huku again, the wardrobes again, you know, same arrangement as we had on the other side. This is typically a his and hers arrangement, even though the master bedroom is on the other side. So if you're many residents, well, watu wakisha hapa hivi, this bedroom, they have got enough space to put their items. Then nikulete huku again, I told you, same arrangement, you know, it had this provision for a shower cubicle, but hakuna saizi. At least this one, they did this curtain rail hapa. So maybe you can do that shower curtain hapo, you know, to put that space hivyo enclosed, you know, away from the toilet seat kule. All right, so now we are going to the master bedroom. Kule kando, just opposite the kitchen. Huko. Here is the master bedroom. Is it opposite or adjacent? Okay, so jikoni tumeacha huko. Just walked into the primary bedroom. Okay, here it is. Now I don't even know whether. Okay, if you come to live here, I'm going to show you the space kule chini. Okay, like I told you, it is like a full one bedroom down there. So I don't know if you come to live here, will you do the full one bedroom kule chini as your master bedroom, or utachukua hii ufanye master bedroom? Over to you. So mta decide. So again, comes with a 5x6 bed, you know, it is like the way it is furnished, okay? And then see, I mean, there is so much room, guys. Okay, there is so much room. And then you know, you've got the wardrobes uku, you know. There you have it. And then, so this one gives you views of the front yard, you know, even the other balcony, kule from here, you are seeing, you know, you've got views of the CBD as I was talking about. Okay. And of course it is full ensuite, needless to go there. Oh, but this one has a bathtub, you know, here it is. Yeah, it is good that we have come. This one has got a bathtub right there. All right. So, we'll go outside like this through the kitchen, and then tazunguka the nyumba nishukie kule mbele, so that then we get inside the one bedroom ambayo iko hapo chini, which I don't know, maybe you can decide hiyo ndio ikuwe master bedroom because it will be private vizuri sana, si ndio? So now going around the home like this, right here there's another tap outdoor here, so like this can be, you know, a wash area as well, you know. Alafu nikikuja hivi, there is the tank I was telling you about, you know, there is one, an overhead tank, then there's another one, big one here, for rainwater harvesting. Here it is. So they have got, like, you know, a kitchen garden huku, wamepanda a mango tree, you know, iko hapo. So nikienda hivi, I realized then the hanging lines are on this end. There you have it, the hanging lines. And then, of course, from here, walking around, you can still see a part of the neighborhood. So, nashuka hivi. Nimepita around, but still, ningetoka na main door na nikuja hapa chini. That's not how you'll be doing. All right. Haya, hodi hapa. Okay. Sisi hawa. Yeah. Yep, so here we are. So first you have got an entry porch hapa. So on my left here is where they have the the washroom. And then nikiingia hivi, well, this one is not, well furnished, but it just has it has these 2 couches here, and so this is the living room. Guys, this is the living room hub. You can see how spacious it is. And then the bedroom down here is on this end, and it is ensuite still. So there's the one outside, and then there is this one. So maybe perhaps as well, maybe mtu anaweza kuja ishi hapa na rent 1 bedroom. I don't know. That's another idea. So again, it is spacious still. It is ensuite, like I've told you guys. And then nikikuja hapa, we have got a kitchen. This is a full kitchen bana. With space for a 4 burner pale. Alafu you can see the cabinetry kule juu, worktop hapo. It even has a pantry huko. So this is it. It's a huge home. Okay? So, you know how much we are asking for all of this right here at Ingobo? Well, only 45,000 Kenya shillings. 45,000 Kenya shillings, and you get to rent this entire home. So in front of you, you have got just an ample parking. Okay, 2 cars can come in, but there is street parking out there. Okay, even me when I came, I parked my car hapo kwa street parking, but still, you can park one there and then another one goes this side. 2 cars can park in here. Sawa. Aya, mpaka hapo. You can call me on 0791 055 678. And now maybe I can show you the area views of the vast estate, even as we sign off. So as usual, every Saturday, I take you around to view the homes that we have found here in Nakuru. As I said, during the midweek, it's my job to go around and find them. You see now, like I've found this one. Today, as of the time I'm doing this video, guys, it is Wednesday. Okay, so I've been able to come here. So tomorrow again, I have another one. I have a property I'm showcasing tomorrow. Friday now, it's, finalizing. Wale ambao wako serious, naweka kwa list, najua I'm meeting you 8:30, I'm meeting you 12, I'm meeting you this time. Saturday, I take you around for viewings, and of course, you get to book. So mpaka hapo, call me on 0791 055 678. Mwenye ataangukia hii, naye ataangukia. 3 bedrooms, all ensuite, with a guest washroom as well. Then hapa bado ni a full 1 bedroom with a ensuite again, and again with a guest washroom hapo nje. Mwenye atachukua hii naye ataangukia rent 45,000 Kenya shillings. From here to Nakuru CBD, Fred, tulichukua dakika ngapi kukuja? About 25 minutes, yeah? Exactly. Sawa,